The Indonesian railway system includes more than 7,000 kilometers of railway across Indonesia, including more than 4,800 kilometers of rail across the island of Java. Come along with Ronnie and I as we take a ride on the Taksaka Imperial Class train from Yogyakarta back to Jakarta's Gambir station. We're Ronnie and Jeremy, and we're digital nomads traveling to every country in the world. We've been on the rails and in the air for the past 3 years, bringing you our unbiased reviews on travel destinations across the globe. After spending most of 2023 in South America, we're always looking forward to more adventures on every continent. And, as always, we hope you'll come along with us for the ride, because you don't have to be a Kentuckian to travel with us, you just gotta have fun. Selamat pagi YouTube fam, and welcome back to the channel. Ronnie and I are still riding on the rails in Indonesia, and we have another train ride scheduled for this morning on the Taksaka Imperial Class train from Yogyakarta back to Jakarta's Gambir station. And as always, if you want to ride on the rails with us, then come along with us. Let's go! Our travel adventure day begins here on the famous Malia Bur Street in the center of Jogja, Indonesia. And a pro tip for all of our viewers thinking about traveling on the island of Java during April. This seems to be rainy season on the island, and we have been battling heavy rains almost every day on our travels across Java. Fortunately for Ronnie and I, we had a couple of hours without rain, so we could walk around Malia Bur Street before making our way back to Yogyakarta station. And another pro tip for our viewers traveling through Indonesia on Kereta Indonesia trains. You can purchase KAI tickets directly on the Kereta Indonesia website. However, that website does not yet accept foreign credit and debit cards. Therefore, we often use the third-party booking system on the website TravelLoca. And not only does TravelLoca accept foreign credit cards, but they also send booking QR codes in a matter of seconds. Then we use those TravelLoca QR codes directly at the train station at the KAI kiosk to print our boarding passes. Another pro tip for our viewers traveling in luxury class, priority class, or imperial class on Kereta Indonesia trains. Be sure to check at the train station for a luxury waiting room that might be available to all travelers riding in these classes with KAI. Thus far in our travels across Java, we have identified luxury waiting lounges at Jakarta's Gambir station, Semarang's Tawang station, and Yogyakarta station. Unfortunately, the Anggrek Lounge was not open on this morning travel day. The Anggrek Lounge opens at Yogyakarta station at 7 o'clock in the morning. If you have watched our previous videos, you know the Anggrek Lounge at Yogyakarta station is one of the best train lounges on the island of Java. And we'll be sure to link one of our videos that features the Anggrek Lounge here, so you can go and watch that video footage to know all about the great amenities the Anggrek Lounge has to offer. And welcome back to Yogyakarta Station in Yogyakarta, which was originally opened in July of 1887. Yogyakarta Station includes 7 platforms and 9 track lanes, and includes service for more than 24 passenger trains on the central and southern Java routes. And one of the best things about arriving to the train station early in the morning is you get an up-close and personal view with all the arriving trains at different times. And right on cue, here is our Taksaka Imperial train arriving at Yogyakarta Station. And Ronnie and I would like to welcome you on board the Taksaka Imperial Class train car, which can accommodate 17 passengers in a 1-2 configuration. Although these leather seats on the Imperial Class train car are a bit dated, they still have plenty of leg room, retractable leg rests, and built-in tray tables. Passengers will also be pleased to find plenty of storage space in overhead bins, retractable window shades, and a large LED flat-screen TV in the train car. These leather seats in the Imperial Class train car also include plenty of cushioning, headrests, a significant recline function, and local power supply outlets. In addition to the amenities and comfort at your seat in the Imperial Class train car, there is also a private mini bar and a private restroom for all passengers on this train car. And for all our fans of Lu reviews, here is the Imperial Class train car on the Kereta Api Indonesia Imperial Class train. And welcome inside the cafe dining car for the Taksaka Imperial Class train. This is one of the older KAI cafe dining cars, but in addition to the booth seating in the dining car, it also has a prayer room and bunk rooms for the KAI staff. And as we leave Yogyakarta station on our way to Gambir station in Jakarta, we'd like to invite all of our viewers to do us a solid and hit that thumbs up like button and subscribe to our channel. That is one of the best ways that you can support our work and keep us on the rails and in the air. And Ronnie and I would like to encourage our loyal viewers who love our videos to consider becoming channel members. Channel members get extra perks and content as Ronnie and I continue bringing you world travel videos from across the globe. Viewers can check out our channel memberships and our referral links in the description of this video. We put those links in the description of all our videos and they're guaranteed to help you travel better in the future. We would also now like to invite our viewers to sit back and relax and enjoy some of the views of the Indonesian countryside as our Taksaka Imperial Class train makes its way from Yogyakarta back to Indonesia's capital city. And while Ronnie and I were rocking back and forth on the rails on our Taksaka Imperial Class train, we did manage to work up an appetite. Thankfully, all passengers with Imperial Class train car tickets on Kereta Api Indonesia trains will receive free snack boxes and included meals aboard their train. Our meal service on this Taksaka Imperial Class train included sweet and sour chicken, some seasoned beef with green vegetables, tofu, and rice. Now, since this was an early morning train ride from Yogyakarta back to Jakarta, and Ronnie and I had spent the early morning hours walking around Malia Bur Street in Jogja, we did get very tired on this train ride as we were staring outside the window at the sunrise and the passing Indonesian scenery. One of the best aspects about riding trains across Indonesia is the Indonesian scenery outside the train windows and the rocking motion that lulls passengers in and out of consciousness as you find a peaceful refrain from the rest of the world. We usually find this sweet spot of peaceful calm on every train ride with Kereta Api Indonesia, and our ride on the Taksaka Imperial Class train was no exception. And if you're one of our viewers dreaming about your next holiday traveling by train across Indonesia, you will be happy to know that you can book a Imperial Class train ticket on the Taksaka Imperial Class train for as little as $52 per ticket or 850,000 Indonesian rupiah per ticket. But as the sun rose to its highest position and the blue skies opened up above the rice fields of Indonesia, the Indonesian countryside gave way to the cityscapes of Jakarta. This was the first signal that gave notice that another train ride with Kereta Api Indonesia was nearing its end as our Taksaka Imperial Class train began making its final approach into Jakarta's Gambir station. And as Ronnie and I say goodbye from Gambir Station in central Jakarta, we would like to remind all of our viewers to do us a solid and hit that thumbs up like button and share this video with all your friends on all those social media channels. And if you enjoy world travel content and riding on the rails around the globe wherever we go, please subscribe to our channel and check that notification bell so you know when our new videos are uploaded every week. But remember, you don't have to be a Kentuckian to travel with us. You just gotta have fun. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep on keeping on. Cheers.